The Razr unfolds like a boss at 170.8 by 74 by 7 mm and folds up like a ninja at 88.4 by 74 by 15.1 mm, weighing 184.5 grams, Viva Magenta, or 188.5 grams, Infinite Black, Glacier Blue. Glass and aluminum make it kinda waterproof, IP52. Pocket S, unfolded, 170 by 75.5 by 7.2 mm, folded, 87.3 by 75.5 by 15.2 mm, weight, 190 grams, looks cool, but can't swim. The Razr has a fancy foldable screen that's like a double dose of AMOLED goodness. This bad boy has a 165 Hz refresh rate and a massive 6.9-inch inner display. Get ready to feast your eyes. The Pocket S has a cool foldable OLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's 6.9 inches of awesomeness. Double the visual delight. Razr, Android 13, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, Adreno 730. Boom! Pocket S grooves to Harmony OS 3.0, powered by Snapdragon 778G and Adreno 642L GPU. Dance on. OS Showdown. Don't miss it. Razr has 8GB or 12GB RAM, plus storage choices. Pocket S, 8GB RAM, expandable with memory cards. Flip it. Pick your memory adventure. The Razr has a camera with a 12MP wide and 13MP ultra-wide module. Picture perfect. Pocket S goes big with a 40MP wide and 13MP ultra-wide module. Boom! Gear up for an epic camera showdown. Razr, 32MP selfie cam. Pocket S, 10.7MP ultra-wide. Say cheese. Ready to snap some epic selfies? Who's got your back? Both rockin' stereo speakers for epic sound. Goodbye, headphone jack. Get ready to jam without wires. Wi-Fi? More like Wi-Fi. Yep, got it. Blue teeth? Roger that. GPS and its squad? Triple check, baby. They've got NFC for all your wireless needs. Living in a wireless world, no strings attached. Phones, sensors galore. Face unlock, fingerprint scanners on the side. Boom. They've got all the fancy sensors like accelerometers, gyros, proximity sensors, compasses, and even barometers, only in the USA for the Razr. Razr has a 3,800 mAh battery, but Pocket S goes bigger with 4,000 mAh. Razr charges fast, both wired, 30W, and wireless, 5W. Pocket S charges even faster, wired, 40W, and reverse wired, 5W. Battery race, go! Razr, cool colors, blue, black, magenta. Pocket S, colors galore. Frost silver, mint green, primrose gold, sakura pink, ice crystal blue, and obsidian black. Take your pick. Prices vary, so there's something for every wallet and palette. Check out the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and Huawei Pocket S. They're awesome. Who's your fave champ? It's your call. Do what you like. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite phone in the tech battle. Stay tuned to DigiDuelers, where tech and humor collide.